guys, what is up? This is just another lame video and I'm just gonna talk about this is just crust 3D white that I bought from America when I was there, and I was there last December till March, and then I came back here in Japan, but it's now June 4. I got time, so I'm gonna use it. Let's check it out. So yellow. Using my one hand. So it says here, glamorous white removes 10 years of stain from coffee, wine, and smoking with a comfortable no-sleep whitening experience. Use once a day for 30 minutes. Wow, 30 minutes? Seriously? I'm sleepy and I want to sleep now. I thought it's just gonna take like about 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. Anyway, step 1. Peel. Peel what? Step 2, apply. Step 3, reveal your whiter smile. So yeah. Sorry. Let's start now. So this is it. It says here 28 strips, 14 treatments. I think this is the strip. Yeah. Useful, 3 easy, whatever.
Yeah, just open it. Why is it empty here? Like, look. I think this is the 28 strips. And it says 28 strips, 14 treatments. Each with one upper, one lower. I don't understand. Why is it empty here? Anyways, just open it. Look. I don't know how to do it. Yeah. So just peel off, I guess. Why is this long and why is this short? Should I like this? But I don't understand. It should be the same length. But anyways, it's just $40. Gaga. 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 That's kind of it. I'm not gonna talk because you're not gonna understand what I'm talking about. So yeah, I think it's 0.7, which means it's it's disgusting. Where's the other one? For my lower teeth. Where is it? I don't know where I put it. Out there. Oh, it's invisible. It's like, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna put it. My saliva will keep flowing here. And I don't wanna suck anymore. I don't know why is it like this. Maybe it should be like this. I don't know. Like this, right? Like that. Yeah. I think it's over here for an hour. Yeah. I think I'm gonna keep it here for an hour. There's no light here, so yeah. This is how it looks like. Ew, it's so gross. I'm so sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna post it first. I'm gonna take a video later for 1 hour.
Hey guys, this is day 2 of my crust 3D white no sleep white strips. So I forgot to show you what happened last night, but it's alright because it's still yellow. So yeah, let's start now. So yeah, you know what to do already. Just open it. And get the strip. Shit. So next is just peel off. Ugly. How ugly. I look so ugly while putting it. I'm so sorry. I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. And I'm done putting into my upper teeth. So next is the lower teeth. Oh. There. I think I need to use whitening toothpaste, but I don't see whitening toothpaste that much here in Japan because people here in Japan don't brush their teeth. Just kidding. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it here for like an hour. Yeah, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna take a video later while peeling it off. But oh yeah, I'm gonna do a challenge. I'm gonna challenge myself while the strips, the whitening strips, is on my teeth. I'm gonna think. I'm going to think. I'm just gonna choose a song. Pull up in a monster, automobile gangster. With a bad bitch that came from Sri Lanka. Yeah, I'm in a Tonka color, I feel a Wonka. You could be the king, but watch the queen go. Okay, first thing first, I'll eat your brain. You know myself, I can go deep and fast. Cause that's what a motherfucking monster do. Monster be healed, that's a monster shoot. Hey, this is from Milan, that's a monster do. Young money is the Russell in the monster crew. And I'm all up in the bank with a funny face. And if I'm fame, I ain't know this cause my money ain't. Let me get it straight. Wait, I'm the rookie, but my features and my show 10 times you pay. 50K for a verse, no album out. Yeah, my money's so tall that my body's gonna climb it. Harder than the middle, listen, climb it. Find it, Tony Matterhorn, Judy Wine it, sign it. Nickel under this house, tiny it. How do nigga so much minded? Real, I don't give a few secret. Forget Bobby, fuck me, cause she's fake. She on a that but fuck her cheesesteak. Besides, yeah, they can't stand besides me. She's killing her career, it's a mild day. Besides, yeah, they can't stand besides me. I think we and she Minaj right there. Pink wig, take ass, give a whiplash. I think big get cash, make a blink fast. Now look what you just saw. This is what you live for. I'm a motherfucking monster. I think my lips are getting white too. And it's so sticky. Ew, my saliva. Yeah, it's so sticky, I can feel it. Like, ew. My lips feel so sticky. Ew. This is gross. So after that, I brushed my teeth. I don't know if it's recommended, but I feel like I need to brush my teeth after that for a good result. But I feel like my my teeth are, you know, more brighter. No, I think it feels like more clean than before. I don't know if it's just on my mind because I'm using the white strip, but I feel like my teeth are clean. Like before, my teeth are so yellow. I think I'm not gonna drink coffee anymore for a month, I guess. So let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow again. I don't know if I need to do it every day, but I think I need a break because I think my friend told me when I was in America. He told me that it should be like every other day. I don't remember. Yeah, anyways, good night.